I want to discuss an important concept in track and field sports: force production. Understanding the science behind force generation and its application can significantly improve performance in long jump, throwing events, and sprints. This is not just about raw strength, it's about understanding the physics that drive the power in each movement. One of the most important ways athletes can enhance their ability to generate force is with plyometric training. According to Force Production in Track and Field Events 2015, plyometrics improve the rate of force production and maximal force, and is used as skill-specific development, particularly in sprints, jumps, and throws. This is particularly useful in track and field events that require raw, explosive power. For example, in the long jump, triple jump, discus, shot put, and javelin, plyometric exercises that focus on horizontal movements help athletes improve acceleration. This in turn allows them to build up more speed and distance in their jump and throws. On the other hand, vertical plyometric exercises are designed to improve maximal velocity. These movements are particularly beneficial for events like high jumping and pole vaulting, where an athlete needs to generate significant upward force. Some of the more advanced plyometric exercises combine both horizontal and vertical components, further enhancing the athlete's ability to generate powerful, well-rounded force for a variety of track and field events. While this doesn't detail specific exercises, it encourages athletes to explore exercises suited to their event, allowing them to target the areas of their technique that need improvement. Now, force production isn't the only production that's happening in the legs. It's also about how the whole body moves. For example, when it comes to running, which is a key aspect of track and field, body mechanics play a critical role. Physics of Running 2025 explains how arm momentum is essential in establishing the body during running. It states, as the runner's left foot strikes the ground, they push off with force. That force causes a torque to be exerted on the body, which tends to rotate the torso. To correct this for rotation, the runner simultaneously swings their arms in the opposite direction, which exerts a counter torque, helping keep the body stable and facing forward. This counter torque is crucial because it keeps the runner's body aligned and ensures that they stay balanced while maintaining that high speed. A simple adjustment, such as keeping the arms bent, can make a huge difference. Bent arms allow for more efficient swing, which makes it easier to generate the torque needed to stabilize the torso and keep the runner momentum moving forward. Understanding the mechanics of running is vital for any athlete, whether they're sprinters or distant runners, because it helps them use their body more efficiently, reducing wasted energy and increasing their speed. Furthermore, On Track Technology for Runners 2021 explains the physics behind track and field, emphasizing how forces come into play. It explains how Newton's third law of motion, which states that for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction in track and field. This means that when an athlete pushes against the track pushes back with equal force. This force propels the athlete further, and explains that using Newton's second law of motion, which tells us that force equals mass times acceleration, we see that the harder the athlete pushes against the track, the faster they will accelerate. The faster an athlete accelerates, the quicker they will move, which can make a significant difference in both sprints and longer distances. By understanding how the force affects running overall athletic performances, athletes can be more strategic in how they approach their training. Insights on physics highlight the critical role of force in propelling athletes forward. By applying this knowledge, athletes can push their limits and maximize their potential. In conclusion, force production is central to success in track and field. Whether it's plyometric training to help improve acceleration and vertical force for high jumps, or through understanding the mechanics of running and applying physics, athletes can unlock their potential by learning the science behind the movements. As the article Force and Production in Track and Field Events 2015 states, plyometric training, when done correctly, is one of the most effective ways to enhance force production. And with a deep understanding of physics, athletes can strategically apply this knowledge to improve their performance across various events. By combining this knowledge with proper training, athletes can enhance their performance, making them stronger, faster, and more powerful in their events. Thank you.